In this video, I want to share with you the ultimate chocolate tart. For this recipe, you will need a tart shell, which you can buy online or you can produce yourself. We have a full video on how to do tart shells in our channel, so please feel free to check it out. In a small pot at medium heat, mix together the cream and sugar and heat up to 60 Celsius or until about some steam starts to appear. In the same time, on a bain-marie, which is a bowl over a pot of boiling water, melt the chocolate. Once the chocolate is melted and the cream is warm, mix them together. Next, in the chocolate and cream, mix the eggs and the vanilla. It's very important that the mix of the cream and chocolate it's not too hot, otherwise the eggs might cook and the mixture become lumpy. Next, to make a silkier and smoother mix, blend it with a hand blender. To remove the large bubbles, just whisk slightly with a whisk and the mix is ready to be poured over the tart. If there are still some bubbles, if you have a blowtorch, you can just go gently over the top to remove them. Next, we're going to bake this tart in a preheated oven at 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. How can you check if the tart is ready? Just jiggle it gently, and if the filling is moving as a whole, not like pure water, then you can take it out. Next, we're going to prepare a glaze, for which we will need milk, water and sugar together in a small pot. Heat them until the sugar is dissolved and then add the cocoa powder. Mix until smooth and then add this to the chopped chocolate. Stir well until well combined and all the chocolate is melted. Spread the chocolate glaze over the cold chocolate tart by a spatula. Let the glaze set and you're ready to serve this beautiful tart together with whipped cream, sour cream or a bowl of ice cream. Thank you for watching this video and we really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a hand by subscribing to this channel with the bell button, liking, sharing this video and commenting down below.